Good evening, everyone. Pravalika, this is the class for 12 semester
Good
11.
evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Everyone, turn on your cameras. Everyone, yes. Guys, I have given you I have asked you to solve a couple of problems. How many have you done with that? हाँ, भूल गए सर। नहीं बनेगा, नहीं भूल जाने वाले हैं हम लोग। आज हम लोग नया चैप्टर शुरू करने वाला है। So we have done with 3D geometry. We have solved a couple of problems. That was your homework. हाँ, ऐसा भी माता को ऐसे ऐसे मार लेंगे तो कुछ नहीं मिलेगा भाई।
सर कौन सा चैप्टर स्टार्ट करेंगे?
भाई तो पहला 3D कंप्लीट किया मैंने, बोलूंगा आपको।
हाँ सर, 15th बना नहीं सर ढंग।
हाँ, ओके।
सर 18th 17th और 16th के एक बार आंसर बता दो।
आपने वो क्या बोलता है, सॉल्व करके मुझे आंसर बताना चाहिए नेक्स्ट क्लास में। आई वोंट रिवील द आंसर, यू सॉल्व इट।
ओके सर।
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
टेल मी चिल्ड्रन, टेल मी विच चैप्टर यू वांट मी टू स्टार्ट।
Sir, geometry will start, sir.
सब वेक्टर्स करवा दो ना।
वेक्टर्स,
हाँ सर, रिलेटेड थोड़ा बहुत।
थोड़ा बहुत रिलेटेड है तो मुझे बताइए अभी क्या बोलता है। हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू आर what do you call that, how many of you have done with your stuff, what do you call that, are you guys going through your class notes on daily basis?
बहुत सर।
क्लास नोट्स भाई।
हाँ सर।
हाँ,
Yes, sir.
आर यू गोइंग थ्रू दैट?
यस सर।
हाँ, हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू आर गोइंग थ्रू दैट?
Yes, sir.
क्या यस होता है?
Sir,
हम
going through, sir.
यस।
Going through, sir.
हाँ, चलो ठीक है, तो हम लोग अभी नोट्स विल हैव नो बेसिक नोट्स। let us write let us write the notes now. Short notes, let me give a short notes. मुझे अब ये बताओ, what do you mean by vector? I just asked you to solve these questions. Please go through this. Simple सा question है, ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं है. You have to tell me the answer. I'll be correcting your answers in the next class. Musab, have you done with this?
No, sir.
Please go through that. Don't neglect it.
Okay, sir.
Why didn't you solve, Musab?
Forgot, sir.
हाँ, forgot. ये forgot कहाँ गाट होता है? forgot. forgot क्या forgot है? You shouldn't forget. You shouldn't forget it. Raghav has done something. Abhinav also forgot. Shruti Akela?
No, sir.
No, sir. You must solve. You must solve. Next class, I'm not going to excuse anyone.
So I have done it.
Very good. One second. Tell me, what do you mean by vector?
Sir, a physical quantity which is having both magnitude and direction.
वेक्टर का मतलब होता है क्वांटिटी. A quantity which has both magnitude and direction. फटाफट कॉपी कीजिए इसको. Look at this here. First of all, it will be denoted by what? It will be denoted by like this. A B vector. For suppose if I say that, what is A here? What is B here? मुझे बताओ. A is my initial point. And B is a terminal point. We'll be having magnitude as well as direction for a particular quantity. That is going to be called as a vector. Is it clear? So now for finding magnitude, see, let us say this is my direction. ठीक है? हाँ. Now direction means like, you know that. What do you mean by magnitude of a vector?
Value.
Basically director line segment. ये क्या होता है director line segment? ये director line segment. इसको बोलते हैं क्या होता है? Director line segment. Director line segment. Now look at this first. What is the magnitude? Magnitude of vector. How do you find magnitude? Just simply you have to find determinant, I mean modulus of that. This is magnitude. All right, next we'll talk about scalar. What do you mean by scalar?
Quantity with only direction. मतलब only
Only magnitude, no direction.
Scalar का मतलब क्या होता है? अच्छा, only magnitude, no direction. A quantity which has only magnitude but no direction. No direction. Is it clear? Now look at this. It has only magnitude, no direction. It won't go here and there. Okay. Next. So position vector of if you take any vector, any point, what is the position vector of that? Position vector of a point. What do you mean by position vector? We simply denote. Look at this here. You take
Vector from origin to point.
any point. Let I'm taking O. Let O is a point. I mean fixed point. Excuse me. And you have a point called P also. Then position vector of a point P is what? OP. This is a position vector. Take a position vector. This is how I will be denoting. No, now look at this here. Whenever we are solving the questions, you will get to know. Don't worry. See, and you remember one thing, very important point is write a note here. Position of a point P with respect to a reference point, that is origin here. Okay, position of a point P with respect to a reference point, that is origin. Position of a point P with respect to reference point. We have to take always with a reference point, that is origin here. What is the reference point? Origin. Now components of a vector. क्या क्या components होता है इधर बताओ. Components of a vector. Look at this. First, suppose I have x and z axis. This is my origin. So, and you have point here P, and just if you have something like this, the distance from origin to P. Now OP is what here? Position vector. What is OP vector? You must write like x, I cap, y, j cap, and z k cap. So what is x, y, z here? What are scalar components here? X comma y comma z are scalar components. And what are vector components?
I cap, J cap, K cap.
Sorry? Hello?
I cap, J cap, K cap.
XI cap, YJ cap, ZK cap. These are my vector components. All right. Now, very important thing here, formula. What is the section formula for external and internal? Look at this. Section formula. I have internal and external. Look at this here. What is, if I talk about internal, what is my sectional form? Look at this now. For suppose if I take triangle like this, look at this. This is origin here somewhere, and this is A, this is B. Okay, A, what is the this A, let me denote in B को position of the B, and I'm just drawing a line and point P here, कोई point P ले लो, ठीक है. I just this distance ये P is m here, कोई m ले लो, इसको कोई n ले लो. Now how it is going to be denoted? Here vector, section formula for vector is or m vector is equal to m a vector n b vector divided by m plus n. वेरी सिंपल. इंटरनल का मतलब प्लस आएगा, एक्सटर्नल का मतलब माइनस आएगा. बस
माइनस.
कोई सिंपल नहीं इसमें. कोई देखो एक्सटर्नल मतलब देखो कोई ऐसा ले लो, ये ऑरिजिन, ये कोई ले लो ए वेक्टर, ये कोई इधर बी है, बी वेक्टर and have point here which is r. Now here internal मतलब इंटर, okay, this is one. Now here I'm making just externally, look at this one. Okay, so let's go to m minus nb divided by is that clear? Yes, simple. Next we'll talk about midpoint formula. What do you mean by what is midpoint formula? Tell me.
A bar plus B bar by 2.
सिंपल है, मिड पॉइंट कुछ नहीं होता है. मिड पॉइंट फॉर्मूला so midpoint formula for vector is a cap plus b cap by 2. Very simple. Next, what are the types of vectors? Let us talk about types of vectors. What are the types of vectors you have?
Sir, null vector.
Zero vector. First, let us talk about zero vector. Zero vector,
Unit vector.
unit vector,
Sir, like and unlike vectors.
ठीक है. Zero vector,
Parallel.
yes, a vector whose magnitude, बहुत सिंपल सा कॉन्सेप्ट है, आई मीन सिंपल चैप्टर है, whose magnitude is 0 and it has no specific direction. ठीक है, तो देखो it has simply like it has okay. Now look at this. Now if I talk about unit vector, what do you mean by unit vector? बताओ.
Sir, whose magnitude is equal to 1.
हाँ, देखो उसका फॉर्मूला होता है, कोई भी ले लो, ये क्या, ये वेक्टर डिवाइडेड बाय मॉडुलस ऑफ ये वेक्टर का. A vector whose magnitude is unity, whose magnitude is unity, as simple as it. And here guys, don't forget to give the directions. Directions very important. You have to give important directions. Next, co-initial vectors. What do you mean by co-initial vectors?
It has same initial point.
Very good. Vectors which have vectors having same initial point. Is that clear? Now Same thing, similar if I talk about coterminal vector.
Same endpoint.
Yes, same terminal point. Same terminal means endpoints. Terminal points. Very simple. Next, कोलिनियर और पैरेलल वेक्टर का मतलब क्या होता है?
Sir, if that is equal to 0, they are collinear.
हम्म, okay, vectors having the same line or support each other. Simply let me write here. Yes, vectors having same या parallel. Parallel line of support. Now look at this here. First, suppose I'll be denoting it parallel to B vector, something like this. So how I denote this? So vector B is equal to lambda into U vector. This is how I'll be. This is the formula for collinear parallel. If I get condition something like that, so this is what I must use. Now coplanar vector क्या होता है बताओ? You might have heard, right? Coplanar you might have learned. Tell me. कोप्लानर का मतलब क्या है?
Sir, when they are parallel to the same plane.
Same plane, yeah. 3 or more vector, 3 से ज्यादा, 3. More vectors. Said to be coplanar. I would say lying in the same plane. Same. Lying in same plane, as simple as that. नेगेटिव ऑफ ए वेक्टर क्या होता है? नेगेटिव ऑफ ए वेक्टर का मतलब क्या होता है? नेगेटिव ऑफ ए वेक्टर बताओ.
Opposite vector.
What is negative of a vector?
Vector traveling in opposite direction.
Yes. Same magnitude but opposite direction.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay. A vector having the same magnitude, but opposite in direction. Very simple. Now equal vectors. What do you mean by equal vectors?
And when their magnitude is same.
क्या होना चाहिए? Equal magnitude.
When their
and हाँ. A vector whose magnitude and direction same, or I'll simply let us write like this. Simple, उसका magnitude equal होना चाहिए. Equal magnitude and it should have same direction. Very simple. Is it clear? So guys, this is what now see here. Now let us talk about what is the algebra of vectors. Let us talk about algebra of two vectors. 798. Algebra of two vectors. Look at this. We have triangle law of addition here, and here parallelogram law of addition. Look at this here. First, suppose triangle law, parallelogram will be like this. Look at this. Here A, B, C. The direction is this one. So basically here I'll be writing by using this law of addition. I'll be writing A vector plus B C vector is equal to AC vector. Is that clear? Now here I'll be writing, because A.
Sir, how we identify, sir, this one? Like these two sides will be added to give this side. How to identify?
Sorry, I didn't get you.
That like we have taken AB plus BC is equal to AC.
Yeah, direction, by using directions.
Oh.
So here sum of two sides in a triangle is equal to what? Sum of two sides in a triangle is equal to the other side, isn't it?
Third side.
Hello? Yes. Getting my point?
Yes.
Now if I take here, if I just divide into two triangles here, now you guys has to tell me now. Look at this here. Now this is my, let us say, A, B, C, D here. So if I'm just having, now tell me. Look at this here, this direction. In
Sir, A
parallelogram,
plus B will give you the resultant, sir. That is diagonal.
diagonal. Look at this. A, B and AC will give you. Look at this. A, B. ये तो क्या लिख दिया भाई? Here A, B plus AC vector gives you AD vector, resultant, the diagonal one. Here what are the properties? We have important properties. Tell me what are the properties we have learned here? Guys, very, very important. You might have learned in your 12th. What are the properties? Tell me. Tell me guys, what are the properties? What is commutative property here? अरे भाई commutative property क्या होता है?
Sir, like A plus B is equal to B plus A.
What is small a, capital A here? Tell me.
Vectors.
So A plus B is equal to B plus A. Now here, what is associated? This is commutative. If I talk about associative क्या होता है? A plus B plus C gives me that A plus B. So ये होता है associative. Is it clear? Now look at a plus 0 vector is equal 0 vector is equal. Gives me a only. What kind of property is this? Now I know this. Vector minus of a vector gives me 0. This also can be written as I could write this one as like as this one also. All right. Now look at this here. What is the component form? This is the simple form. Look, what is the component form? If I write in component form, hello, how can I write in the component form?
Sir, like ij k cap
Ah,
form.
yes. A is equal A1I plus sorry here A2. You have to talk about only A2, A3. So B1. Okay. Now guys, look at this here. So if I add or subtract, so if I add or add or subtract, what I'm going to get? Look at this. A plus B or minus. It gives me what? A1 plus B1 I cap plus A2 plus B2. Actually, suddenly my system got off due to charging, so I had to join it again. Can you able to share the screen? Arey yaar, who is the host here?
Sir, me,
Shruti
sir. I'm
Akhil.
trying to make you the host, sir.
Yeah, you make me as a host. I don't know why it has gone. You make me as a host, ma.
Okay, sir.
Make it fast.
Sir, I made you the host.
So A2 plus B2. Look at this here, plus or minus. I can write plus or minus. Is it clear? So plus or minus, even when I do minus, the same thing is going to happen. Clear? Now multiplication of vector. How do I need to multiply?
Dot product, cross product.
Multiplication of vector. Multiplication of a vector by a scalar. If A is what here? A vector. Let us say m is a scalar. Okay. Now if I multiply m vector, what I'm going to get? Vector which is parallel to A and which is going to be magnitude m times of A. Magnitude m times of A. So how I write here? This is a basic multiplication. Let us see few examples. So here also let me give some numbers. So how I need to multiply? Look at this here. M that gives me both are equal only. Is equal, this can be written as m in A vector. Mn m A vector plus n A vector. Is that clear? Very simple. All these basic properties, but very useful. M star plus m A vectors. All right. Now guys, look at this. This is a basic multiplication. So if I take A is a vector, m is a scalar. If I multiply scalar with a vector, so how I go to get the same thing? Look at this. Now we'll see product of two vectors. Addition of, we have done multiplication. Now look at the product. देखो डॉट के क्या होता है? क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट, क्रॉस वेक्टर क्या, क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट क्या होता है? देखो. Next we'll talk about product of two vectors. Product of two vectors. Look at this. डॉट स्केलर में क्या होता है? देखो ध्यान से सुनिए. डॉट प्रोडक्ट, इसमें देखो स्केलर से, स्केलर, एंड ये क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट वेक्टर से. हाँ, लुक एट दिस हियर. A vector dot B vector gives me the formula is what? A with the modulus of B into cos theta. So here what is the theta here? Theta lies between where to where? Tell me.
0 to pi.
0 to pi. Simple सा बात है. ठीक है. Theta, what theta here? Theta is what? Which angle? Theta is an acute. If theta is acute, what is going to happen? Dot product is going to be greater than 0. If theta is obtuse, dot product is going to be less than 0. ठीक है. Look, so what is the product here? Same formula, but you will be getting different trigonometric function into sin theta to n cap. So what is n here? What is n here? Tell me. Unit vector. Unit vector. N is what? Unit vector is perpendicular to both A vector and B vector. ठीक है. What is n here? N means it is perpendicular to both A vector and B vector. ये बहुत important है ये. This is very important here. This is you take it as. ठीक है. So what is the basic difference? Just stuff over here, properties. So A vector dot product of dot, so this both are equal here. And here if I talk about, if I multiply with any scalar dot B vector, which gives me m into A vector dot B vector. So this gives me, now look at this, A vector dot B vector plus C vector is equal to A vector dot B vector plus A vector dot C vector. So now look at this here. One more thing is, if when dot product is equal to 0, what is going to happen? Dot product is A vector is going to be perpendicular to B vector. Very simple. And where very important, A vector is not equal to going to be 0 and B vector is not going to be equal to 0. ये बहुत important है, ध्यान से सुनिए. ठीक है. And now look at this, if A vector and A vector, this can be written as simply vector A modulus of vector A whole square. Next. Next, if I talk about I cap dot I cap gives me is equal to J cap, तो J is equal to K cap dot K cap is equal to क्या होता है? Always 1 होता है. So I, what is IJ here? Tell me, what is IJK? Tell me.
They are the directions, sir.
डायरेक्शन. देखो, कोई ये क्या होता है? अपोजिट. अगर सेम होता है तो 1 होता है, अगर डिफरेंट होता है तो 0 होता है. वेरी सिंपल. क्लियर? हाँ. नो प्रोजेक्शन. प्रोजेक्शन वेक्टर क्या होता है? देखो प्रोजेक्शन, देखो प्रोजेक्शन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, वन ऑफ द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. प्रोजेक्शन ऑफ वेक्टर ए और एनीथिंग वेक्टर बी. क्या होता है प्रोजेक्शन वेक्टर? क्या होता है? ए वेक्टर डॉट डिवाइडेड बाय मॉडुलस ऑफ बी वेक्टर. हाँ, इधर देखो cos थीटा क्या होता है? cos थीटा फॉर्मूला cos थीटा इज इक्वल ए वेक्टर डिवाइडेड डॉट प्रोडक्ट बी वेक्टर मॉडुलस ऑफ ए वेक्टर. ठीक है. See what is this angle here? This angle between two vectors. Angle between two vectors. ये फॉर्मूला किसका होता है? ये फॉर्मूला इज एंगल between two vectors या कोई लाइंस. आया समझ? हाँ. Now this is what from the dot product with the scalar. Now let us have a now look at this. Now here हाँ, इन द क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट क्या होता है? देखो क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट मतलब होता है, देखो इफ आई हैव समथिंग लाइक ए वेक्टर क्रॉस डी वेक्टर इज नॉट, कभी भी ये ऐसा बराबर नहीं होगा. डॉट प्रोडक्ट बराबर हो सकता है मगर क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट कभी भी नहीं बराबर होगा. देखो आया. चलो नेक्स्ट एम ए वेक्टर क्रॉस बी वेक्टर इज इक्वल टू ए वेक्टर क्रॉस एम बी वेक्टर. हाँ, इसको कैसा भी लिख सकता हूँ मैंने, इसको भी ऐसा भी लिख सकता हूँ. now
Sir, in the first case, like A cross B is not equal to B cross A. If we take minus और फिर लिए तो फिर equal होता ना सर?
माइनस के लिए तो किस में माइनस लिए तो
Like A cross B is equal to minus of B cross A. फिर equal होता ना?
देखो कोई वेक्टर ये भी ये वेक्टर बी वेक्टर कोई भी ले लो, मल्टीप्लाई करके देखो बराबर होगा कि नहीं, आपको समझ में आ जाएगा। हाँ वो सब देखो, 1 सेकंड। कोई भी एग्जांपल लेके बताओ, देखो एग्जांपल ले लो कोई भी। फर्स्ट सपोज यू हैव, अरे भाई क्या हो रहा है ये? हाँ ये मुझे 1 मिनट, हैव कुछ भी ले लो भाई, ये ले लो एंड 3x ऐसा कुछ भी ले लो जिसको क्या होगा, ए क्रॉस बी प्रोडक्ट क्या होगा, कैसा करते हैं हम लोग। पहले हम लोग क्या करेंगे, पहले विल बी राइटिंग एक्स वाई जेड, आई मीन एक्स कैप वाई कैप जेड कैप, कोएफिशिएंट्स विल बी राइटिंग कोएफिशिएंट्स हियर 3 2 -5, just find it out now, find out करके देखो ये क्या होगा, you will be getting something right now। how can it be minus like that, you understand my point, you try it with this example। क्या वो नाम क्या है आपका?
Sir, Abhinav.
Abhinav, you try by taking minus of b क्रॉस ए, ऐसे भी करके देखो। Are you getting my point? What is the answer of this? Tell me, make it fast.
-3x.
What is the answer?
-3x plus
X
14y.
square 8. हाँ, so I'm asking you that after getting that you do whether it is equal to minus of b cross a or not. आया समझ? Abhinav, you only.
Yes, sir, doing.
हाँ, you try it later. You try it later. Take this example. You try it later, not now. Have you written this example? Shall I erase this?
Yes, sir.
Have
Yes,
you?
sir. Yes, sir.
हाँ,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
हाँ, देखो ये अभी क्या होगा, अरे यार ये क्या सता रहा है, one second। हाँ नेक्स्ट, ए वेक्टर क्रॉस बी वेक्टर प्लस सी वेक्टर, ये क्या होता है बताओ। ए वेक्टर so next if a vector cross product b vector is equal to 0, ये क्या होता है, ये वेक्टर एंड बी वेक्टर क्या होगा, आर पैरेलल, ये तो सबको पता है, सिंपल पॉइंट है। एंड वेयर क्या अगेन, ये कैन नॉट बी इक्वल टू 0, b cannot be equal to 0. Here a vector lambda b vector and here lambda क्या होता है स्केलर. Simple है. And look at this now. Here one more thing. Guys, here modulus of a vector cross b vector. ये क्या होता है? ये एरिया ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम. क्या होता है? एरिया ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम. एरिया ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम क्या होता है बताओ मुझे.
सर L into H.
हाँ देखो ये क्या होता है. देखो हाफ इंटू मॉडुलस ऑफ ए क्रॉस
ट्रायंगल.
ये किसका होता है? एरिया ऑफ तेरा नहीं मेरा नहीं ट्रायंगल का होता है. सिंपल
Triangle.
सबको पता है. ठीक है. हाँ हियर मुझे बताओ ये ए एंड बी क्या है. लुक एट दिस हियर. ए एंड बी क्या है इधर?
They are the
Adjacent
vectors.
हाँ.
Vectors.
देखो इधर लिखो. और
मम्मी का है.
adjacent vectors. Adjacent vectors of parallelogram. You understand? हाँ. Now look at this here. What is the diagonals of parallelogram here? ये तो सबको पता होगा.
Rama sir.
Diagonals of parallelogram. Okay, ये क्या होता है diagonals of parallelogram? एक मिनट, 1 second guys. Have you understood this now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Next we have a couple of things to write. So that thing we'll write in the next class. Please you come with a revision. Come with a revision. Don't be what do you call that? Don't come without revision. Everyone should revise all the stuff whichever we have got through in this class. And probably tomorrow itself we are going to start with the questions. Tomorrow itself. Okay. If you have any
Sir,
doubts,
Monday ना sir.
हाँ मंडे मतलब तुम्हारा मतलब मंडे नहीं भाई आपका
Tuesday.
कब होगा?
Tuesday.
Whenever your next class is, then we'll be discussing. Okay. Thank you, children. Goodbye.
Yes. Sir, tomorrow we are having this, sir.
Yes. I'll post the syllabus everything in the group. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.